Okay, so a little bit of an update. The plan was initially to repair this iPod Classic 5th gen. Swap the back, swap the old hard drive out for a new SD adapter, and, well, you get that. Which is the same issue I was having with this, although this is bust, like this was clicking and all sorts. I actually think that I damaged the cable that runs from the hard drive to the motherboard, or mainboard, or logic board, whatever the fuck they're called in this thing. So I ordered a new one, which is in here. And I'm going to take it from here and put it in here, and hopefully it'll all work. The only thing is, I put the case on the back loosely to like keep everything together and protected, because I didn't want, stress on the ribbon cables and stuff. And it appears as though it has shut, which means I now need to take this apart again. We are getting there. I actually did forget to put the little bezel on the bottom last time, so I'll make sure I swap that over this time as well. There we go. Okay, so we've got battery connector. Let's just pop that off. Okie doke. Here is the old case, and there's the bezel that I need to deal with. So before I forget, let's get that done. Probably disconnect this from here as well. There we go. Right. That's one. Such tiny little screws. And two. Now, be careful not to tighten these too much. I have seen many people bust them for over tightening. Okay, so connector up. Right. So there's the other part of the connector. If I can just, there we go. There we go. Right, it came up that way. This cable, for those who are wondering, was like £2 something. It was really cheap. It's a little adhesive pad, just like the original. Cool. Okie doke. So that is replaced. Now, by rights, this should work. Should being the key word. Oh, I'm going to disconnect that so I can have a slightly easier time with this. Only slightly, mind. So fiddly. Okay, next is the battery connector, which is just here. And obviously that doesn't want to play ball either. Because, you know, why would it? Why would I want to be easy? Who cares what I want? These are so fiddly. All right, there, okay, it's connected. Now, that is what we were hoping to see. That is the good thing. So, let's do exactly as it says. So I'm gonna grab my 30-pin connector, plug it in. Oh, no, that's my Apple Watch charger. There's my 30-pin connector. I'm actually going to go ahead and seal this up, which might be a little bit premature, but do you know what? Brand new and shiny, apart from that obviously dink that I've just put in it. Trying to separate the down thing. Okay. We are not all clicked together over here, but we'll deal with that in a sec. Oh, there we go. That's a good sign. Do not disconnect. Oh, your Mac has detected an iPod in recovery mode. You must restore this before you can use it. Okay. Here we go. Everything is working fine in Apple Music. The iPod's been synced. So now it's just a case of testing it to make sure it works. Look at that. A working iPod 5th gen that's been fully restored. So here's albums, artists, no playlists. Oh no, there is some playlists. And my favorite, shuffle. That back is absolutely filthy. So we're just going to give that a quick rub with a microfiber cloth and look at that shine. Now compared to the old back, which I will put next to it for comparison, that is a difference. I hope you've enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed doing this video, and we'll see what comes up next. What other challenges await? Who knows?